I will be using the book Anna B. Helps a Lot from the Piney Pals Decodable book series. If you don't have this book, you can use any decodable book that focuses on S blends. I'm going to be writing some words on the board. I want you to use your eyes and I want you to look very carefully and tell me what letter is alike in each one of these words. I'll start writing and you start looking very carefully. Here we go. First word, S-K-I-P. S-T-O-P. And S-W-I-M. What letter do you see that's alike in each one of these words? You're right. You see S. Now let's look a little more closely. What letter do you see that comes right after the S? K, T, and a W. When you have S and a consonant right after it, when you read those words, you're going to blend those two sounds together. Listen carefully with your ear and see if you can hear me smoothly saying those two sounds together. Skip, stop, swim. Did you hear that? You could hear both of the sounds, but we smoothly read them together. We said sk, st, sw. When we smoothly read those together, we call those blends. Today, we will focus our learning on S blends. I'm going to read the words and I want you to echo. And I want you to see if you can smoothly blend those two sounds together. Are you ready? Here we go. Skip, stop, swim. Nice job. I heard you smoothly saying sk, st, sw. When you read Anna B. Helps a Lot, you will have a chance to see many S blends. And remember, when you have an S and a consonant right behind it, you will read those words and those sounds, putting them together in a smooth way. You will be able to hear both of the sounds, but you will blend them together. Thank you so much for joining me, and remember, you've got this.